So when you're working on a shader, usually you want to see the model from different angles. One easy way to do that is to click on the model and hit the F key. Now the model is centered in the viewport, and then I'm going to come up and click on this little square to change to isometric. Now as we pan around the scene, the object always stays in focus. There is one small problem to doing it this way. Watch this pixel right here. As I change back from isometric to perspective, that pixel wrapped around to the back of the head, and that's just the nature of viewing something in isometric mode. So you can see, especially since I'm using this Fresnel effect, the rim of the model changes quite a bit between perspective and isometric. So we're seeing it slightly inaccurately in this isometric mode, and I think that's fine. As long as you know that that's happening, as long as you keep in mind that you will see pixels that could be occluded in perspective mode. As long as you still understand what you're seeing, that this trick is still useful. Alright, so that wraps up the content for this video. Before you guys go, I want to ask, if you've been following the Shield shader series, what's your opinion on the music so far? Do you want me to take it out? Is it entertaining or just plain annoying? I've gotten a couple comments from people that don't like the music, and so if that's the general consensus, I will stop putting music in my videos. But if you like it, let me know, and also if you have a preference for the style of the music, also let me know. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys next time.